Modern frameless European-style cabinets have a clean, streamlined look that is highly sought after by designers, architects, and homeowners. But they tend to be costly and have lead times of anywhere from 8 to 16 weeks for delivery. Modern Kitchen Pros is proud to offer you modern cabinets that are made here in America. While keeping them affordable and of the utmost quality, our Los Angeles facility upholds fabrication to the rigorous CARB Phase 2 Certificate of Compliance, making our products environmentally friendly and safe for you and your family. Our quality cabinets are made with durable 3/4-inch plywood boxes with self-closing doors and drawers that are standard features. You can choose from a variety of colors and a long list of accessories, all of which are pre-installed by our certified technicians prior to shipping. Thanks to our advanced machinery and our highly specialized and experienced crew, we're able to offer incredibly fast production times. Our lead time is usually less than 7 days for assembled cabinets, with all of the doors and accessories already pre-hung and installed, ready to be shipped anywhere across North America. Now you have the chance to create a stunning and highly functional kitchen for you and your family to enjoy, all without breaking the bank. Still waiting? Give us a call today to find out how you can create a breathtaking kitchen within just a few days.